Welcome to Remich, a picturesque town in Luxembourg nestled along the Moselle River. Known for its scenic vineyards, charming streets and rich cultural heritage, Remich is a gem waiting to be explored. And right here in the heart of Remich, you'll find Gandhi Restaurant, a place where culinary excellence meets warm hospitality. Indulge in delicious Indian curries and biryanis, a wide variety of starters, main courses and delectable desserts. Whether you prefer vegetarian or non-vegetarian options, our menu has something to tantalize every palate. Pair your meal with a wide range of hard and soft drinks, carefully selected to complement your dining experience. Our restaurant provides multiple facilities for your convenience: takeaway, free home and office delivery, dine-in, online ordering for takeaway and delivery, online table booking, catering at your place. We offer free delivery to Remich, Assel, Bech, Kleinmacher, Bous, Ellange, Elvange, Erpeldange, Greiveldange, Nenning, Palzem, Remerschen, Schwebsange, Stadtbredimus, Wellenstein and Wintrange. A family-friendly restaurant with a capacity of over 100 persons, Gandhi Restaurant also features an open terrace accommodating 25 to 30 guests. Kids will love the public playground right beside the restaurant. Gandhi Restaurant also has a public kids playground where kids can enjoy their good time playing in the ground, having swings and sliders surrounded with greenery. Join us during our open hours. Lunch from 11:45 a.m. to 2 p.m. and evening from 5:45 p.m. to 10 p.m. We are closed on Mondays. Visit us at 32 Rue de Marché, 5550 Remich, Luxembourg. Call us at +352 6916648825 or visit our website at www.gandhirestauranttremich.com. Order online for delicious Indian food for takeaway and free delivery. Visit Gandhi Restaurant and enjoy a fine dining experience. If you found this video informative, click the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting information.